Hi everybody. Right. Serious ginger biker time. I don't think I rant very often. As you can see or can't see, the weather is shit. Now, I'm not going to moan that it's raining. I mean, we've had a pretty sweet winter really, which is good for me because I'm obviously new to biking and it's meant I can get on my bum and have some fun. I'm a poet and I don't even know it. So not complaining. But what I will moan about is, and I think it is scientifically harder this time of year, so I'll give them some leeway. But every frickin' day off I've had, it's meant to have been nice. I think Monday, Tuesday, frickin' freezing. Today, Wednesday, was meant to shoot up to 11 degrees and be lovely. And okay, yeah, they changed it as we got closer. It went from being lovely to cloudy. And then yesterday, it was like, oh yeah, chance of rain. But come on, guys, girls. Bring back Michael Fish. Aye. Okay, so I'm on to the third Solarbear, which is a no entry. Oh, a stop sign, I remember that for later. So there's my no entry sign over there, because it's a one-way coming into a crossroads. So find somewhere safe and responsible to do the old dance. Looks like a nice spot. Do a shy one for a change. Right. Hey, keep the boat running. Okay. Solarbear, 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 Solarbear. Solarbear. How many is that? Call that one. Solarbear, Solarbear, I don't care. Two. Solarbear, I don't care. I look weird, I don't care. Solarbear 3. There's nothing better to do on a wet day than a bit of Solarbear. Cheers, guys.